Friends, in chapter number 1 we are going through textual exercise questions, and we already studied question number 17 in last session. Now we study question number 18 and 19. First we try to understood about question number 18. Question number 18 is, why do we apply paint on iron articles? As we know, to prevent the corrosion, we paint iron articles. But the reason is behind that, iron objects undergo rusting due to metal corrosion. The process is metal corrosion. Hence, surface of iron is coated with paint to prevent it from rusting. As a result, iron does not come in contact with air. To prevent water, the corrosion cannot possible. Thus, iron objects remain safe for longer period and rusting does not occur. To prevent rusting, we paint iron articles. The question number 19. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why? One type of gas can be occur in the food packets when we bought the food packets from outer side market, and the packet will be large and something spoilage. The gas is occur in the packet is nitrogen. Answer is, food items containing oil and fat reacts with oxygen become rancid. Meaning of rancid is, such food items have bad smell and harmful to health. Meaning of rancid means the food smell in the taste will be bad smell, and the taste will be harmful to health. Hence, to prevent the spoilage of food items, they are flushed with unreactive gas. Why nitrogen gas is occur in this type of food packets? Because it is unreactive gas like nitrogen, which acts as an antioxidant. To prevent the rancidity food, we add antioxidants in the packets, so nitrogen gas works as an antioxidant. These are the points related to paint on iron articles, and these points are giving the information why oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Let's try to understand question number 20. Textual exercise question number 20. Explain the following items with one example each. Here we give one example for each item. The first is corrosion, second is rancidity. We have to solve first corrosion and then solve rancidity. Corrosion says us that metals get corroded in the presence of acid and moisture. When metal is come in the contact with acid and moisture, it is corroded. The process is called corrosion. Rusting of iron. Examples of corrosions are rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, green coating of salt on the utensils of copper are the examples of corrosion. 3 examples of corrosion we have to see in our routine life: rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, green coating of salt on the utensils of copper. The next point says us that due to corrosion, as per our question, we have the example with one example. So here we give the example of iron. So we give the information for iron only. Due to corrosion, iron gets covered with a red-brown surface, which is called rusting of iron. As we know, the powder, red colored powder is see on the surface of iron articles. It is called corrosion. Corrosion of iron. Corrosion causes damage to articles such as car bodies which are made up of iron, such as car bodies, ships, iron railings, etc. This is a huge expenditure to control corrosion. Expenditure means जो खर्चा होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? Because to corrosion of iron, we have to exchange the suppose car bodies, particles, ships, parts of ships, iron railing. So the huge expenditure is come to control corrosion. Rusting can be prevented by painting. The one of the easiest method is to prevent rusting, painting the surface of iron or coating surface of iron. Either it is painting the surface of iron or coating the surface of iron with more reactive metal as like zinc. Zinc is more reactive than iron, than Fe. So you have to coating the surface of iron with more reactive metal zinc. Symbol of zinc is Zn. So prevention of corrosion by coating iron surface with zinc is called galvanization. When coating with zinc to iron surface, the iron is called, here one more thing is, the iron is called galvanized iron. Add one word: when the coating of zinc can be arise on the iron surface, the iron is called galvanized iron and the process is called galvanization. Here one marks question, most important question arise. The iron is called galvanized iron and the process is called galvanization. So this is the information for the corrosion. When question arise, not in the sense of this, explain the following item with one example when the question arises, instead of this, write a short note on corrosion. You have to give same points for corrosion. Let's see it quickly. Metals get corroded when, here one word question also arise, when metals are corroded acid and with contact of acid and moisture. Metals get corroded in the presence of acid and moisture. This process is called corrosion. Metal gets corroded and process is called corrosion. Examples: rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, green coating of salt on the utensils of copper are the examples of corrosion. Due to corrosion, iron gets covered with a red-brown surface powder form, which is called rusting of iron. Here we give example for rusting of iron. In chapter number 3, we give more examples about corrosion. Here we give the rusting of iron. Corrosion causes damage of articles such as which are made up of iron, such as car bodies, ships, iron railing, etc. This is a huge expenditure to control corrosion. Rusting can be prevented. Two methods can be prevented by rusting. Either it is painting or coating the surface of iron with more reactive metal, which is called zinc. Prevention of corrosion by coating iron surface with zinc is called galvanization. The iron is getting coat, it is with zinc, it is called galvanized iron, and the process is called galvanization. So these points are give the information for corrosion. Here we solve one item and it is corrosion. Next we solve the item rancidity. Let's go through another part of question number 20. We read question again. Explain the following items with one example. We already covered corrosion. Now we covered rancidity. Answers are so easy of corrosion and rancidity. In rancidity, now we cover rancidity. When food containing oil and fat is kept in an open air, the word is open air, it undergo oxidation and become rancid, due to which their smell and taste changes. This process is called rancidity. Usually to avoid rancidity in food containing oil and fat, substances are added with prevent oxidation. Point is, says continuous information, such substances are known as antioxidant substances. As per our answer question number 19, we add antioxidant in unreactive form of nitrogen. Food kept in airtight containers help to slow down its oxidation and rancidity is retarded. Not totally retarded, it retarded for long time. Manufacturers of potato chips. Here we give example of potato chips in packets. The inactive form of nitrogen gas can be occur. Manufacturers of potato chips flush bags of chips with gas such as inactive nitrogen gas as antioxidant to prevent the oxidation of potato chips. Friends, here we cover all the questions of textual exercise, question number 4 to question number 20. Question number 1, 2 and 3 are the MCQs. We already covered the MCQs. In this chapter we covered all activities, activity number 1.1 to 1.11. As per our heading chemical reaction and equations, we study different type of chemical reactions in this chapter, such as combination reaction, decomposition reaction, the third is displacement reaction, second next double displacement reaction, the precipitation reaction, and the last is oxidation reduction reaction. You have to write all the equation with yourself. First write in rough and then write in fair book. You have to practice the equations, balance the equation, and you have to getting perfect for balancing and write the equations. The equations are so easy, but when we make the equation complete with the more information, with the fully information, we have to know the symbols of element and the molecular formula of each compounds. When we know the symbol of element and the molecular formula of compound, we getting the chemical equation completely. You have to try it and don't confuse with it, but try to solve the equation with yourself. Thank you.